How to change Naver map application to English. So first of all, open up App Store or Play Store and search for iTranscreen, and you need to go for any one of these. I am using the iTranscreen, which is the free version. You can also go with the paid version if you want to go with, but let's just open it up as an example. And you need to simply select the game mode and click on next on the top right, then go for the start. But before that, make sure to select your language, which is going to be Korean, but you just need to select it and then you need to click on start button. Now once you click on start and open it, this is how it will gonna look like on the top of your screen. You can now open up any window on your Naver map, and this is going to start your translation automatically. Right now at the time of recording, I cannot show you as it is screen recording my screen, but it will gonna start the broadcasting, which is going to automatically translate each and everything on your screen. Hope this helped. This is how you can change Naver map app to English.